The mystery surrounding the death of Disha Salian, former manager of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, continues to raise questions. The Special Investigation Team, or SIT, appointed by the Maharashtra government, told the Bombay High Court that they have found no foul play in her death so far. However, the team added that their probe is still ongoing and every detail is being looked at carefully. This statement came in response to a petition filed by Disha's father, Satish Salian, who has demanded an FIR against Shiv Sena (UBT) leader Aditya Thackeray and others, claiming foul play in his daughter's death. According to his plea, Disha hosted a party on 8 June 2020, which was attended by Aditya Thackeray, his bodyguards, and actors Suraj Pancholi and Dino Moria. Satish Salian alleges that Disha was gang-raped, forcibly restrained and subjected to brutal sexual assault, citing eyewitness accounts. Just 2 days later, on 14 June, actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead, adding more fuel to speculation. But Senior Police Inspector Shailendra Nagarkar called these allegations baseless and unfounded. He said the 2020 closure report was based on scientific investigation and the post-mortem report, which found no signs of sexual or physical assault. Nagarkar also pointed to a forensic report that revealed Disha was heavily inebriated before her death. Her fiancé, Rohan Roy, stated she had been going through emotional turmoil and said there was no other apparent foul play and/or suspicion in the entire incident. The police also reviewed CCTV footage and mobile call records, but reported that nothing suspicious or objectionable was found. Despite this, Disha's father is still seeking an independent and transparent investigation. But MLA Aditya Thackeray has approached the Bombay High Court to oppose the plea, stating, "Since the agencies had not found any proof of foul play, there was no substance in Salian's prayers. Instead, the plea was a means to interfere with the CBI's investigation and must be dismissed." The court has allowed 2 more weeks for further arguments. The search for truth in Disha Salian's case continues.